Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tease Time. I'm TJ. Today, we're finally going to get our wall situated. I've been saying I'm getting a wall situated. I've been cutting like piece by piece here and there, just trying to get all the angles and stuff because it's just very time consuming. So I have the pieces cut out. So I'm going to start assembling all the wall paneling so we get these walls closed in. So stay tuned and enjoy. And bada boom, bada bing. Most of the walls are in. Most of the wall panels are installed. I still have like a few panels like right here. I have to just figure out like the holes for that. And the same for this back section right here. And then I still have to figure out the cross piece right here, and then for the back door. But for the back door, I'm thinking about trying to make like a bicycle hanger. So that's going to be like a later date. And this panel is just like temporarily here because I still have to do like the plumbing and electrical behind this. So that like this isn't permanent. I still have to finish this like eventually. But I just left it like loose just so I could get back there and do what I have to do. And then for like the closet area, I'm contemplating, do I want to throw paneling like in here and then I could paint these the color of the cabinets, but like I'm not too sure if I should just leave it like bare. I could just paint that, or I could fill it in with like the wall paneling here so it somewhat matches. Then I could paint like right here, and I have to do like a framing still right here just for our cabinet, so that way I can have like extra space. That'll be like called like a medicine cabinet. And then for right here will be like a linen cabinet, and then the shower area will be like right here eventually. So a majority of the panels are in. The hardest panel to cut was this piece right here. Just trying to get like that exact so you don't have like these big gaps and stuff like that. Like I'll still probably go ahead and put like some stripping, like these end cap strips like in here to finish that off. But like I just want to get like the paneling like up, because like I've been stepping on it and just moving it out of the way. It's just been in the way like as I've been cutting. So yeah, so we saved a lot of space. It's getting a little dark, but that's what we have left of paneling. Those separating strips, I don't need all of those. I did have to I like the end cap ones. Where are they? Where they just kind of like wedge in. I like those ones better than like the 90 degrees, because there wasn't really like a lot of space for my staple gun to like clamp onto. So like those have more bite. They're more secure. And then for like right here, you see like all these gaps and stuff. This is where the cabinets will be. So like this will be like cabinets. This will be the countertop. Like 3 feet is like right there. That's how I want my cabinet, my countertops to be. So I didn't need to fill in these strips. I just need to fill in the strips that will be exposed once the cabinets are in. So I left like those extra like gaps because they're not going to be seen. So you can save material and time. And then like also like you learn as you go. Like I didn't put like these separating strips like I did on this side, because as you can see, like it kind of made the cabinet here come out a little bit. So I'll probably go ahead and like unscrew like the top ones, and then I could adjust like the back mounting pieces just to get it to go like a little bit more level. But you learn as you go. So we learn from that cabinet not to do that, and if we do that, we just have to make sure we get it like level, like when you're securing the cabinets. So without having strips at all, it should be easier. We'll just screw like the back cabinets in first, like the back, before we do the ceiling. So that way it gets it all nice and tight up against the wall, and that should work out good. So yeah, so we got walls. We got walls. It's looking a little bit more homey. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna just put these outlets on so I can have my mini fridge right here, because I'm in here right now. I'm full time in this thing, so we're getting to like the essential stuff. Like you need food, so I'll have like my refrigerator right here, and I have to build like the cabinet's gonna be like around that, stove here eventually, sink over here eventually. So it's just motivating me to get stuff done a little bit quicker, or trying to anyway. Like I still have to work and stuff. So I'm doing the best that I can. So with that being said, we have walls up around us. Some are there, not by choice. We need to work on how to break those walls down, put doors in them, use them to your advantage. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace, TJ.